Model 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI 3.5T long fridge van low GMOT excellent runner no VAT. Body white, fridge fully working. Mileage 310267. MOT the 17th of September 2025. Engine 2143 CCOM 651 129 HP. Transmission 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.